Alright, so if you want to get data of places like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and even from Google Maps, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a data file that looks like this using this particular software. So I came across a brand new software that can help you scrape data from any social media site of your choice. And guess what? You can use this software completely for free when trying to test out things. And I'm going to show you how the software works. And if you're interested, you can also lay your hands on the software completely for free. So the link to this software is going to be down below. But right before you click on that link, you should know how the software works so you get to use it better. So right here you can see I have my account already created. Of course, it is free to sign up. Once you have your account created, you should have a dashboard looking like this. So now right here on your dashboard, all you need to do is to choose the exact social media site you're trying to scrape your data from. And when I mean data, it actually means your leads. Okay, so when I say I want to get data of maybe Facebook, it's simple. All I need to do is just click on Facebook. And when I click on Facebook, automatically this software would help me scrape data from Facebook groups. And all I need to do is just input the keywords that I'm trying to get my data off. So let's say, for instance, now I can put in maybe affiliate marketing. It can be like that. It can also be plumbers. All right, you can also put things like electricians, mechanic. It can be anything basically. So for me, let me just work with something so simple just to show you guys how it all works. So I'm going to put in plumbers right here. So of course, I'm going to be getting the details of plumbers of Facebook. And now the next thing I have to do is to tell this particular software how many results I want to get for plumbers. So let me just say I want to get 10 results from plumbers, and I'm so happy that I can also choose the exact country I'm trying to get my data from. Now, so many other softwares I've worked with doesn't give you this leverage of choosing the particular country you're trying to get your data from, but with this particular software you are able to select your country. So I think this is one major feature I love about this particular software. So you can see this is the place where I can choose the country I want to work with. So I can choose United States, Canada, UK, France, Denmark, Switzerland, Germany, and Australia. But I think in the later future they should be able to have more countries listed here. So I'm going to work with United States of America. All right, and the next thing I have to do right now is to click on search. So when I click on search, automatically you can see what it says searching. Now relax and wait for the result. But mind you guys, this is not the only thing you can use the software for. All right, so you can see that our data is being extracted for us. So I can also go back to Instagram. All right, maybe I want to get data of Instagram. So it's simple. I can click on Instagram, all right, just to get my data of Instagram. And now for Instagram, guys, you need to choose how you want to get your data of Instagram. Like, do you want to do it by searching for a particular hashtag or maybe searching for a particular keyword? So for this one here, you can see the first one here is basically where you're going to be scraping Instagram based on the hashtag that you are imputing. You just want to impute the basic hashtag that you are trying to get your data from, and you want to put in how many results you're trying to get. And you can see per keyword. All right, this is where you just want to input the keyword, all right, of the Instagram data you're trying to get. So let me just see influencers. All right, and I can also put how many results. Let me just see 20 results from this, and I can click on search. All right, let's see. You can see now relax and wait. The search result has begun. I'm going to click on OK. I can also go back and I can also do that for the same thing for LinkedIn. All right, for LinkedIn here, I can just put in realtors. All right, realtors. All right, good. And I can put how many results I want. I can also put in 20. So this is how you go about trying to scrape data from any social media site of your choice. So you need to just get access to the software and you can start using it for free to start enriching your database. So if you like this video, I want you to subscribe to the channel right now. If you haven't done that, smash the like button. And if you want to get access to the software, you can find the link down below. All right, so I hope you found this helpful, and if you're thinking of where you're going to be finding all the results you've been able to scrape from social media site, you can get it right here. You can see where it says scraping result click on scraping result. So you can see this is where we're going to be finding all the data that we are scraping from any social media site of our choice. But right before I show you guys how to download your data into your computer, now I want to show you something about this particular software called SocLeads. It's beautiful and it is crazy to use. Now this is the ability for you to scrape multiple channels all at once. So let's say you want to get your data from Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok. It can help you get all of the data at one single shot. So all you need to do is to go ahead and input the keyword. So let me just work with plumbers once again. All right, and for this one I'm just going to work with maybe 30 leads or 30 database, right? So I'm going to click on search, and you're going to be finding what's going to happen. This particular software would start helping me scrape the exact social media site I'm trying to target. I'm going to click on OK, and if I come back to my scraping result, now you can see where it says multi-channel, all right, plumbers, and you can see it is basically running. So once this is done, I'm going to be having a data file that contains all of my results from Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and many more. So you can see that we have our data already ready to download. I'm going to click on download CXV right now, all right, and you can see just proceed by giving your feedback. I'm going to click on yes, and I'm going to click on submit. So I think I'm good there. And now you can see, guys, we have our data already downloaded. So let me just open this up right now to show you guys what it looks like. So you can see I have this opened up, and let me quickly spread this up quickly. Very good. And this is the home page. Okay, I think we are good right here. Good. All right, guys, so you can see what we have right now. You can see the first thing we have basically is the email address, okay, which is very, very important when trying to probably do cold emailing and all like that. You can see we have the email address right here, and most importantly, guys, we have their names. All right, you can see we have their names right here. All right, and you can see we have their social profile. So let's say you want to confirm if these are actually real people, or maybe these are real businesses. You have their social profiles where you can check and see if these are real businesses. So I think with this software you are good to go in trying to get data. And for the telephone number, of course we are not able to get a telephone number, unfortunately for that. All right, and you can see this is the search term right here. But if I go back, guys, look at something. If I go back, all right, to this one that basically has to do with Facebook only, and I click on download CXV, all right, you can see it's downloaded. I'm going to open this up right now, and let's see if we're able to get the phone contact of this persons. So let's say this is the one for Facebook. All right, Facebook is right here. You can see plumbers is the search term, and you can see the social profiles are also right here. But unfortunately as well, I was not able to get telephone number. So it means that this particular software is not capable of giving you the telephone numbers of the data you're trying to scrape. So it can give you other details such as their name, such as their email address, social profile, and all like that. But when it comes to getting telephone numbers, you're not able to use the software to do that. So I want to make sure this is clear to everybody who is trying to use the software to start extracting data from any social media site of your choice. So if you found this video helpful and you want to get started with SocLeads, you can check the link down below for easy access. Click on the link, subscribe to the channel. It's going to bring you over to this place where you can start extracting your data, and you can start using it for every marketing purposes of your choice. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Please take care of yourself, and bye.